It is a garden wi' a bonny concrete path, and maybe roses growing o'er a trellis work a laugh, with flowers blooming every way in bunches and in rows. But give to me garden where the green gorse grows. The some surrounds their garden wi' a muckle bigot dick, and sore a thing a body sees but mortar, stain and brick. And bigot me a felly dick tapped up with pins and toes around me peery garden where the green gorse grows, where the green gorse grows, where the green gorse grows. Give to me garden where the green gorse grows. Some may workin' with a sigh and some here machine, and we know just one Sunday trash 'em o'er the green. But I slip in me caddy lamb and watch her as she shows the cutteth in me garden where the green gorse grows. There's some that works with peary nips, with carrots and with kale, and heather glass and covers to protect them fae the gale. Then up and down atween the drills they root wi' rakes and hoes. I never meet a bother where the green gorse grows, where the green gorse grows, where the green gorse grows. Give to me garden where the green gorse grows. There's somebody looking at the earth and looking at the sky, and making sick a yelly crabs get sour with their dry. And when the drought gets over, sare we watering cans they lows. I'm never working wi' 'em where the green gorse grows. There's some that brags about their kale, it's near as big as trees. They spend their time at catching worms and chasing butterflies. The others brags about their nips as big as heron bows. But it's better in me garden where the green gorse grows, where the green gorse grows, where the green gorse grows. Give to me garden where the green gorse grows.